Import namin,
Chinese.
Chinese Marcos Lee. Pangalan niya, 31 years old. Last time na naglaro sa NBL, Australia. And I think last February 19 yung, ano bang ngayon, araw? Tama.
March 6.
I think last week dumating siya Monday, and then I think nakapag-practice na siya sa amin ng 9 days. And we have a tune-up game yesterday against UST, and then the other day yung Meralco, kaya lang medyo nangangapa pa lahat, and then kulang kami, kulang din sila, pero we're able to na sa win, and it's a good practice for us to know what kind of import we'll be having this coming conference, and he's not an offensive player, but defensively I think he could help a lot from sa department na yun, and regarding his attitude so far, he's okay naman, and then lagi nakatawa. Yun. But at this coming conference, a little bit worried, because a lot of them is really getting better. In the last few weeks, alam niyo naman na naging movements sa PBA. There's a lot of trades, there's a lot of acquisition from those teams. I think it's good for the PBA dahil it will become exciting para this coming conference, especially the other teams getting a lot of a big import. And isa lang nakikita ko parang to stop our big man from getting into the shaded area to score a lot of points, just like what happened with championship, with Junmar, 29 points and 23 rebounds. And I thought it's simply because of him. That's why yung import talagang, I think ang average height ng import ngayon is 6'10", 16 and a half pa siguro yan ganyan, with the presence of ball, alam na natin kung anong purpose nila, ganyan. They want to dominate the shaded area, and what more, kung those import can score a lot. So that's why I'm so worried about this conference, and we just returned to our training last Monday, and the other teams I think 2 months na sila nag-training kami pang second week pa lang namin ngayon. But I hope na yung mga players namin have learned a lot from the past championship namin, dahil we cannot afford to have another bad start with 0-2, but sana ang mangyari uli ganun yung nangyari 0-2 na straight namin, pero this time it's very impossible to do that again, because of a lot of teams talagang ready for this conference, and makikita naman natin yung improvement ng bawat team, talagang it will become a very exciting conference.
What's yung health ng team mo? Kasi yung iba dyan medyo may ini-interview.
Yan, isa pa yun, and then si Jericho was not able to play completely dito sa Guam. Nagkaroon siya ng back spasm, and then kahapon nagpa-x-ray siya para ma-diagnose kung ano talaga yung niya, pero wala pang result na binibigay sa akin, and then Junmar is trying to have some rest, dahil during the Gilas hindi siya 100% dahil ng championship talagang makikita nyo naman and the same thing with Chris Ross, pagdating niya from States, naka-boot siya, naka-stabilizer yung kanyang legs, cause no injuries no finals pa rin. But I'm so happy with them during the finals, dahil alam ko hindi sila 100%, pero kung maglaro sila more than 100%. And I hope na makarecover sila dito sa darating na first game namin, which is March 21. And if you will notice, the schedule namin talagang we have to be ready, because We have a game on 21, 25, 28, 31, 5, and 8. So I think 6 games in 2 weeks, and that's a lot Kaya we have to be ready come our first game
Coach, na season kasi papalit-palit kayo ng import ng commissioner staff. Tingin mo ba ito si Marcos Lee here to stay naman lang din?
I hope na yung hinahanap namin sa import ay makita namin, but in the last 2 tune-up games namin masaya naman kami dahil yung in-expect namin na andun pero he's not a scorer but let's see what will happen and medyo mahirap dahil yung first 3 imports na inaay namin nagkaroon ng problema, although na-sign up na namin isa naiwan sa Dubai dahil walang release ng kanilang mother team. Unfortunately nagkaroon ng gera ngayon dito sa Iran, kasama yung Dubai sa binomba. I don't know what will happen, but I've heard na I think makakabalik na sa US yun dahil nag-open na ulit yung airport nila. And then the other one is hindi natuloy dahil there's an import playing in the French tournament, Asia Cup. Unfortunately hindi kami nagkasundo sana dahil some differences do sa gusto nila mangyari at gusto namin ganyan. So medyo na-delayed kami ng pagkuha, and then finally nakuha namin si Marcos Lee, but we hope na sana ito yung first and last namin important dahil I've heard na there's a new rules regarding the acquiring of import hindi katulad ng before, pagka na-injured ka bukas meron ka na ganyan ngayon hindi yata there's a lot of paperwork to do imposed by some organization. I think yung FIBA, isa rin yun, pati sa PBA. But it's good for the league dahil para makita talaga kung gaano ka-organize yung tournament.
Coach, sa All-Star game na to, si Junmar,
on the other side,
laban mo.
on the other side,
Paano mo siya
if it is a tournament, I know how to stop him. But it is just an exhibition game, an exhibition game. I think, everybody wants to play. You cannot plan, the whole game, because everybody's deserving to play. Imagine, this North All-Star, I think, yung lineup ko is 13, and we only have 240 minutes. So if you will divide with them, I think everybody equal playing time, that's 18 minutes. So medyo mahirap yun unless na yung mga players gusto manalo. Coach, give this player a time for us to win. But knowing this is All-Star, it's a showcase of their talent. So that's what I want to do. Everybody, I want them, just like what happened sa San Miguel, yung rotation ko malalim, ganyan. So what more, itong mga All-Star, deserving talaga sila lahat na maglaro.
Ngayon mo lang ba makakalaban si Junmar kahit sa yung mga exhibition game?
Yeah, ngayon lang. Mapwera doon sa Dota. Ayun, And then ngayon lang, dahil ever since magkasama kami sa team ganyan
Kahit sa All-Star dati, hindi mo siya nakalaban.
Hindi. At that time, I think hindi ako ang coach ng All-Star noong time na yun.
Pero magkalaro-laro lang, hindi mo lang siya depensa kay Junmar.
Yan
Good. Thanks, God.